Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to rotate the image 180 degrees for a ceiling mount setup. To do it, in the app for your Xiaomi Smart Camera C701, click on three dots in top right corner. Now find the to find the settings, go to camera settings, and now you should be able to find the option that is called image settings, and then rotate image. Now tap on rotate and you can see it is now upside down, but if the camera was upside down, then it would be correct, right? I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.